Image created by a plane mirror. As you can see in this figure, it's shown how an image is formed by a plane mirror. There are two light rays from object O that are reflected off the mirror and are seen by the eye. You can also see how the image I is at equal distance from the mirror as that of the object. How is that? We will examine it by drawing the image in this picture. The object is for sure at the start of the incident ray. So, the incident ray will be produced by the object and hit a plane mirror, then it will be reflected off the mirror with a reflected ray. So, the image of the object will be behind the mirror. When you stand in front of a mirror, you see an image of yourself. That is a virtual image behind the mirror. Therefore, to specify the location of the image, we will prolongate the reflected ray using a ruler, like that, and the next step is to draw a vertical line that is perpendicular to the mirror from the object until it intersects the prolongation that we drew. The intersection is the image as you can see. So, now we'll measure the distance between the object and the mirror and between the mirror and the image. So, 4.5 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. Therefore, we proved that the distance between the object and the mirror is equal to the distance between the image and the mirror. Now, we will discuss how the image formed by a mirror is virtual. It is upright, the same way up as the object, as you can see in the picture of a girl standing in front of the mirror, how her image is standing the same way upright. Moreover, it's literally inverted, back to front, but not upside down. When the girl raises her right hand, her image raises her left hand. That's how it's inverted. A virtual image is formed when light rays appear to come from after they have been reflected or refracted, and it cannot be projected on a screen like this image that's projected. An image that can be seen on a screen is described as a real image because it is formed by focusing light rays onto the screen. And that's the difference between virtual and real images.